I got to shout out to this company. They're local and they're awesome. But you guys go to bamshifts.com. They got some sick wooden air fresheners and they are awesome. They're good people. Um, but yeah, check this out. Watch. They have air fresheners. I got black ice because that wouldn't smell the best thing. They got watermelon, like this Abercrombie smell, and black cherry. Oh man, it's everything's good. I had a hard time getting one I wanted. I was like stuck, but you can get a bunch of ones, and they said something about custom. But I mean, if I did, I would do like a Rikki Diesel, like cool, like lettering, or a Chevy symbol or something. But they have like Mazda ones, Evo car stuff. So, um, but yeah, I will put their link down below. But they build like shift knobs and they have hats and everything like that. So go give them a shout out. This is awesome. So cool. Check them out.